unboxing the Lenovo 100w Gen 4, which is the Windows version of the 100e. Windows units can be good for students who need access to a wider range of software and apps, but there really isn't any other differences from the Chrome version. This device does come with a 65-watt USB-C charger, which charges the device pretty fast. This model has 32 GB of storage, 4 GB of RAM, and runs on an N100 processor. Looking at the top, you can see the tough textured design, which is nice because this won't scratch as easily. Along the sides, there's only one USB-C port for charging, but you get a USB-A port on each side, which is nice. There's also an HDMI port and an audio jack. The keys are well shielded to keep debris out, and the keyboard can actually be removed from the palm rest to be replaced. In terms of repairability, this device is fairly easy to work on. The bezel comes off easily for LCD replacements using an opening tool, and this LCD is a standard 30 pin. To get inside, there are 10 screws, but they are retained in, which is nice so you don't lose any. Looking at the internal components, one thing that stands out are the brackets covering the boards, but that is pretty standard with newer devices. The daughter board to motherboard cable actually runs over the battery, so you likely won't need to remove the battery to replace the boards. Another thing I'm seeing is that there's actually a thermal pad over the expandable memory right here, and this helps to keep heat down during use. The bottom case is easy to put back on, and like I said, the screws are retained in, making it way easier to put this back together. So that's a basic overview of the Lenovo 100w Gen 4. Let us know in the comments what you think of this device and what other devices you'd like to see an overview of. Thanks for watching!